Hello, little artists. Welcome to Totally Toddler Ed. Are you ready to dive into the magical world of art? Today we're going to be mini Picassos and create masterpieces. But before we start, let's get to know our art tools. These are like magic wands that help us bring our imagination to life. Now, who's ready to make some art? Our first creative adventure is the rainbow magic. We're going to use our colorful markers to fill in each part of the rainbow. Can you pick your favorite color and start coloring? Great job, little artists! Look at those beautiful rainbows taking shape. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Just have fun with your colors. Time to meet our next creative challenge, Shape Monsters. Let's use our safety scissors to cut out these shapes and make our own friendly monsters. Snip, snip, snip. Now let's arrange these shapes on another paper to create our funny, not-so-scary monsters. Are you ready for a tactile adventure? It's texture art time. Let's glue these on our paper and make a fantastic, touchable masterpiece. Wow, look at those textures. Your art is not just beautiful, it's also fun to touch. Great job, little artists. Our final adventure is the collage bonanza. We're going to cut out pictures and shapes we like and glue them onto a big paper to create a collage. Let your imagination run wild. What amazing collages you're creating. Each piece tells a unique story. Keep going, little artists. That was incredible, my little Picassos. Your creativity knows no bounds. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and having fun with us here at Totally Toddler Ed. Keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, keep being the amazing artist that you are. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing, and I can't wait to see what masterpieces you'll create next. Artists, you're truly magical. See you on our next creative adventure.